What's going on, guys? It's me, Oracle. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so sorry about that. Today, we are going to be, I'm going to be trying out the new McDonald's chicken poutine. Crispy chicken poutine, is that what it is? Yeah. I will have to slide the box around. This is what it looks like. You got chicken, actual chicken. You got fries, barbecue.
Barbecue. I don't know if crispy barbecue chicken has. Could be.
Yeah.
Fries,
I'm very nervous to try this because I have never tried takeout poutine. I occasionally eat poutine home style like my mom makes. You know, just French fries, gravy, and mozzarella, like melted, right? So, pray with me. I'm very nervous. So, 3, 2, 1. That was the chicken piece.
Try the fries and cheese.
You're still recording, right?
Yes.
The chicken taste is good. One, two, three. I don't really see cheese in here.
The cheese is melted white. It's like the mozzarella or mozzarella cheese. That's probably melted.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you rate it?
I'm not even done.
Yeah.
The chicken tastes really good. I was thinking this is McNuggets.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, that's a big piece of chicken. What's the bill on?
It's at $3.39.
Oh damn.
Or the TV whole box?
I don't know.
No.
You know, they're rated for the end of the video.
Oh, treated to Seattle. I got a fire.
Okay, it's 4 minutes long.
Calm down.
I know.
Don't be bitchy. Honestly, for my review, pretty good. This is going to be a lot. There's a lot in here, so it's going to take me quite a while to finish this up. So, but honestly, taste is really good. So,
What do you rate out of 10?
I don't really taste the cheese, so. I mean, yes, people are saying. My dad in the video too, right? He's featured in here too.
Your voices.
It's mostly melted, but like I don't really taste it. It's like some commercial with the French fries and the barbecue flavor, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just say like 5 out of 5.
Okay. Want me to end it now?
5.
Okay.